Laura here. Hope you're all doing great. So I've just come out of a class with some kids and I wanted to share with you an activity that worked really well and that they really enjoyed. So I was teaching prepositions of time, which can be a bit dry and boring, let's be honest. So I figured I'd make it more exciting with one of these. Do you remember these from school, the fortune tellers? If you don't know how to make them, just Google the instructions. It's very, very easy, and my class of 8-year-olds didn't have any issues with it. So the first part of the lesson, we make our basic fortune teller, which is quite fun to revise shapes, instructions, and other vocabulary. And then what we have to do is open up our fortune teller and write one of the prepositions of time on each of these three segments. And at the bottom we write bonus because we've got three prepositions of time but 4 triangles. So under each of the prepositions we need to write time expressions that go with them. So for example here under in we've got in February, in 2021, in winter, etc. In my case I had a list of different time expressions. I asked the kids to match it up to the right preposition and then we wrote it on our fortune tellers. And then the same with on. Got on Thursday, on 7th of January, on Christmas Day, on Sunday morning. And the same with at. Got at 5 o'clock, at the weekend, and at Christmas. And then under the bonus flap, you can write really whatever you like. I put some questions that would elicit certain times or time expressions just to make double, triple sure that the kids understand what they're doing. So once we've filled out all of those, we can assign a colour to each of the outside segments. And then, if you don't remember, the way you play a fortune teller is you choose one of these colours and you turn the fortune teller according to the number of letters. So for example, if we choose pink, we turn the fortune teller 4 times, P-I-N-K. And then we choose between on and bonus. Let's go for bonus, B-O-N-U-S. And then we can choose between in and at. So if I choose at, that would mean I have to invent a time expression to go with at. So I would say at 5 o'clock. And look at that, I'm right. So what's really fun about this is that it's nice for the kids to make, and then they have a little toy that they can play with and test themselves, test each other, test their parents, test everybody. And it's the kind of fun, addictive thing they'll probably continue to play with, and hopefully remember those prepositions of time. Hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll see you soon. Bye!